Okay, on this video I'm just going to show you 4 graphs that you'll need for your GCSE maths. So let's try the first one. Let's use green. This is the most common one that you will understand and know. It's the x squared, and you can see that that looks like this. Kind of a U shape. But with that, what about minus x squared? Well, if it's on the outside, it means it reflects in the x-axis. What was a plus 4 on the y becomes a minus 4. So it looks like that. A reflection. What about, let's increase the power. It's called a cubic, x to the power 3, and it looks like this. What about a minus x to the 3? What would that look like? Well, again, the minus means you reflect. Very, very large value of x would be very small. So that's what it would look like. Okay, let's move on to others. These two you may not be aware of or know about. This is called the reciprocal, the 1 over, and this has got some interesting properties because it is what they call asymptotic, that it will never cut across these axes. Again, let's consider what happens when we have a minus. Well, on the outside, you reflect. So it look like that. And then we get to the final ones, which are to do with the exponential. And I'm just going to consider that, and in fact I'm not going to look at the minus one here because it gets a bit more complicated and you don't need that one. So let's consider things like 2 to the power of x. And that will go through the point 0, 1, because anything to the 0 is always 1. Let's just do something with that. Let's increase that to say, what about, let's have a different colour. Let's go for green, that will come up nice. What about 5 to the power of x? Well, anything to the 0 is 1, so it still goes through there, but it will look like this. Steeper. So they're the type of graphs you need to know, and in the next video I'm going to show ways of trying to actually work these without trying to just use your memory. Hope that's helped so far.